Move tool, drag this picture to over here. Now the picture is there. Now you can make the picture shorter. See, yeah. See, now I am keeping it over this, or you can just keep it like this. Little bit stretch out. Stretch from the ground side, okay? See, it's looking like you are sitting over there. Okay, height and width and approximate, you can say yes. See this, I have kept it over. Little bit lighting effect you also you have to provide to it, okay? Or you can just put it over. If you put here and the on this, I think on this, okay? So little smaller you have to do it, okay? And stretch it from here. I think this looks good. Okay, this looks good, just like this. Okay, yeah. See, it's looking like you are sitting over there, and you have, and someone has clicked the picture. Okay, now come to this select. Sorry, image adjustment levels. So if you do like this, then it doesn't look okay. Just adjust the level here. Now it's looking inserted into the picture, okay? Little bit down, yeah, now perfect. Okay, here also little bit, okay, perfect. Okay, and take the picture, okay? The background, adjust the level of the background also from here. See, now it is matching with the picture, okay? This one is okay. Down, okay? Little more down, or no? Keep it just like you are sitting over there. If you do like this or like this, it not look good, because here or this area you can see in the water, okay? Here only it's looking nice. So now by this you can change the background of the picture, okay? Keeping it here or here. Little bit blur. We can also little bit blur also we can have, curves we can take, a background, adjustments, curves. Now it is okay. So picture is over. There only you have clicked the picture from there. This is about the background, how you can change the background of the picture. Okay, else what you want you can do it. If you want make it little much, means you can say filter gallery is there, or blur effect if you want, little bit of motion blur you can have. See out the picture, little you can say it is blurred. Okay, this blur you can use, or you are having that Gaussian blur. This way you can say that you had taken a portrait style. Okay, yeah, that's a better one, portrait style picture. Okay, see this one. So see how it looks. It looks like you have taken a portrait image from somewhere. So by this way you can do your background changes. Okay students, so now I will take some other pics, and that we will use some other one. Okay, so wait, not browsing. This picture, acne. See, like this if you have. So what you have to do in this picture, these are the red spots on the faces. So for that you will choose this. Okay, the spot healing brush tool. Select this tool. Here you will get the brushes of the radius, hardness. Okay, so approximately match or create texture. Okay, so here if you see, first you have to choose one color of the face which is clean. Okay, so I think this one is okay. So press Alt button from the keyboard and click. So healing brush tool always take at this. Okay, by default. So now start clicking. Start clicking the area which has that spot. Click on the spots. Okay, and clean the face. Earlier face you have seen, actually I have not taken a duplicate photo, that's why I can't show you. And as also you have seen this, I am removing. Okay, the spots are removing from the face. See how easily you have removed the spots from the face. Now after this what you have to do, you have to choose a eyedropper. Take eyedropper and choose the texture of the face. Click there. You have seen over, you have got this or this color. Okay, whatever matches. Then take a brush tool. See the radius of the brush tool. Okay, this much. And now slowly, or just take a little bit more, I think this is okay. And now start coloring the face with that color. Okay, slowly you go for that. Okay, increase the size of the brush. 19. Opacity you can take 50%. Okay, see, slowly I am removing. Okay, then you slowly do it and match with the face. Okay, so increase again the size or little. Okay, 13, 19, lighten, linear burn, multiply, darken, dissolve. Okay, now normal. Okay, just see the effect. Okay, it will match with the color of the face. Slowly do this. Okay, okay, rub that color. Okay, this is a brush. Okay, okay, go like this. Here the color of the face is little bit. Okay, so till here you can do this. See, choose this color. Okay, Control Z. Okay, wait, image adjustment levels little bit. Okay, you can remove it. Okay, once again I am showing you. Okay, I think it has been removed. Okay, just take this. Okay, I will just take the little bigger diameter. Yeah, this way. Increase the diameter of the face. Okay, and then choose it. Yeah, this way. Now see the face. Okay, it is matched with the skin. It is I have to just decrease the diameter. Okay, here you will decrease the diameter. Okay, now here again, and I think a more smaller needed. So 44. Okay, this 16. Okay, this time and this time. Okay, now see the face of the girl, how earlier it was and now it is. Okay, now you just little bit you can increase or decrease the level over here. Okay, this one and this one. Now in this you don't have to color it. Okay, see. Okay, I am showing you the face also. Okay, duplicate. Okay, duplicate of this, and this I am cutting off. No, now see the difference between the photos. how earlier it was and now. Okay, so you can easily remove the things from the face. Okay, this one you can do. Little bit lightness of the face you can see. Okay, now the last which I am going to show you, I have shown you this also, the change, and last one is your wrinkles. Okay, I think the video will be little much longer, but I am going to show you, and please do it. Okay, if you will work on this, then only what I have told is give you a positive result. Okay, otherwise it's none of use. Now here for this we will not use the spot healing, we will use healing brush tool. Okay, and for healing brush tool you have to choose the diameter little bit larger. Okay, from here you can take the area. Okay, all click. Okay, now you can increase the size of the brush. Okay, there is a lighting effect, that's why it is showing. Okay, oh, I will not take this. Okay, because the light is coming on the face. I will take some other area. Okay, just I will take this area only. Now I am increasing the size. Now you can see little bit more. So it is removing the wrinkles from the face. Okay, (32 pixels, 44). Okay, the wrinkles are removed from the face. Okay, from the lips also. Wait, make it more smaller and then come to this. As you can see in this. Okay, I am removing. See, the wrinkles are being removed. Okay, from the face. Yeah, see, earlier how it was and now it is. Okay, and adjust again. See, I have not done much. Okay, so by this you can do, and you can just take a brush tool. Okay, and just on the areas where you want to color, you can do this like this. Okay, match the color with this areas. Okay, with this color effect. So by this way you can change the wrinkles of the face, the color of the face you can change. Okay, these all things you can do. So hope this session is over and I have told you each and everything about the Photoshop, means what is given in your book till that. As you can see, many more tools are there in Photoshop, you can use them also. Okay, so till then, thank you and revise it.